Okay, here's a little demonstration of the latest little Arduino project that I came up with. I wanted a way to trigger VOX on the IC-7300, that's what you're looking at now, remotely with like a foot switch. And there's no pin on the back of it that I know of that you can do that. You can do PTT but not VOX. Anyway, so here's what I came up with, an Arduino that has some software on it that uses a foot switch, and it talks serially to the radio using the CIV interface, and it does so through the little 1/8 inch jack on the back of the radio instead of the USB, so the USB is still free for other stuff. And so it talks at 9600 baud. And right now I have a straight key hooked up to it, but it'd be the same thing as a foot switch. So if I just tap the key here once, it turns the VOX on, and if I tap it again, it turns the VOX off, and it's pretty quick. Then I also have the option, so that's if you just tap it real quick. I also have the option if you want to have the VOX on for a while and then you want it to go off when you let go of the switch. If you hold the switch down for any longer than just a quick pulse, it will go into VOX mode where the switch takes control instead of it being latched on and then latched off. So if I hold it down for a little while, it stays in VOX, and as soon as I let up, the VOX goes away. So it's got two modes of operation. Again, if I just tap it real quick, it turns the VOX on, and even though I've let go of the key or the foot switch and it would be in operation, it stays in VOX. And as soon as I tap it again, it goes off, and I can just go back and forth, on, off, as I tap the key, or which would be the foot switch. And then if I hold it down for any length of time, after just a fraction of a second, it says, well, I'm not going to do the latch mode. I'm going to just go in like it was I'll call it PTV, push to VOX, instead of push to talk. And as soon as I let up on the key, it goes away.